5 cents is 5 cents. Welcome to the channel. It's an early morning. Probably about 7 o'clock now, but out for my morning ride, exercise ride. Haven't been out in a while. Been busy. So, 5 cents is 5 cents. Where I live up in New York, you pay 5 cents on every bottle and can for like drinks like soda, beer, water. Okay? And then you have to, if you want to, well, you know, you should recycle them, take them to a bottle recycling center, and you get 5 cents back for each bottle. Well, where I live, a lot out in the country, a lot of people, you know, on their way home are drinking beer, sodas or whatever, and they just throw their bottles of cans out the window. And you see it all along the roadside. $5 cents is 5 cents. If I see one right there, I'll pick it up, put it in my saddlebag. Put it with my recycling cans and bottles, and I take them in. 5 cents, 5 cents. Do you do that in your Yeah, sorry about that. There's another one, see? Of course, when I go out on the same path, the same road every day, there's gonna be less and less of them because I already picked them up, possibly. So I haven't been in a while, so there's some new ones here. So you know, so far I've gotten a few. Like in the beginning of the riding season, when after winter and stuff, you could pick up a bunch because they've been out there all winter and, you know, haven't been riding. So anyway, you know, depending on my day, 50 cents here, a buck there. I think my longest haul was $2 one time. Filled up both my saddlebags. I don't need to. Boy, I better get going. I'm gonna be late for work. You know, I don't need to pick them up, but I just do. Just, well, hey, whatever. When I return them back, it just gives me a few extra bucks. I don't care. Not like I'm hurting for money or anything. I just do it because, hey, whatever. Plus it helps clean up the road a little bit. I'm not picking up all the garbage though, no. But anyway, wherever you're from, do you have to pay recycling fees, pay bottle, you know, charges? I think it's usually mostly up north, you know, New York, Vermont, I think, stuff like maybe New Hampshire, Maine. I think in California's a bigger one, but I think theirs are 10 cents, but you know, I don't do it all the time. I just do it on my morning ride or whatever, or when I do my exercise ride, depending. It's not always morning, but. So do you pick up when you see bottles? Do you pick them up? Do you return them? Yeah. That's all I had to say, really. Just a quick little video. Maybe at the end we'll see, I'll tell you how much I brought in today. Woo, you know. I'm hoping for $1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well, that's the end of today's video. 5 cents is 5 cents. I emptied out my saddlebags. Guess what I made? I picked up 20 bottles of cans, so that's $1. Hey, $1, $1. 5 cents, 5 cents. Anyway, you know what to do. Hit all those buttons. If you're interested in watching some more of my videos, watch the next one up here. Here. I don't know. Probably up here. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.